Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to use scheduled tweets. I am Daria from Kaya Academy and let's get to it. Even though there are not many problems for individual users, timing feature for social media is from any boutique to humor page one of the indispensable needs. Thanks to the timing feature of Twitter, it is possible to make more than one share automatically during the day. In this context, Twitter text tweet scheduling and tweet planning feature was introduced. So keep watching the video to learn how to use this feature. Twitter has announced a new tool exclusively for Twitter as a user, Schedule Tweets. It lets the users create a tweet and then schedule a date and time for it to be sent out, up to a year in advance. So what does this new feature mean for marketers? How do they use scheduled tweets? Or how can they maximize its value? Is there anything they should be aware of? And what does this mean for similar services like Buffer? I hope you'll get the answers to all of these questions during this video, so let's get into it. The first thing we should learn is how to schedule tweets. So, if you haven't signed up already, go to ads.twitter.com to sign up for an advertiser account. Since I don't have an advertiser account, I will just be showing you through my Twitter page. But it is like the process is just the same. So then you can either select the blue compose tweet like here, or you can go to the new creatives tab and select tweets from there. So we're going to click here. And as we can see, now we're going to write tweet to share with world. So from here, we're going to schedule it. Which year? I would like to do it in this day, next year. You can even change the time and everything from here. And then we're going to say confirm. And when we say schedule, like this, it has been sent. So do you know how to share? Like once we have perfected tweet, we sent it out. And right now, do you know how we will see this? Also how we can see this? We're going to go tweet. And then there is unsent tweets here. So we don't have any drafts, but we have scheduled tweets. As you can see, just the one that I have done, just the one that I did right now. This will send on Tuesday, August 9th, 2021 at 9:49 p.m. Yes. So also I have scheduled another tweet before, so I could show you this. We can also edit them. Like we're going to click here. And for example, this one, I am not sure if I want it to be out that time. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking delete, and this cannot be undone. And we will lose this tweet, but it's okay. So we're just going to click delete. And as we can see, we only have one scheduled tweet. So we're going to click done now. And as you can see, we can still see the one that we just made. So this is how you do it. Now that you know how to use scheduled tweets, you can do anything. You can just be tweeting. You can sit down in the morning. You can be writing down every tweet that comes to your mind as an individual user also. And then you can just schedule them and they will be sharing themselves actually. So if you have any questions about this process, or if there are parts you didn't understand, or if there are things that you want to know more about, you can say those things on comments, or you can ask me those questions on comments, and I will be there answering your questions. So if you have liked this video, please give us thumbs up. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. So if you want me to keep creating contents like this, do not forget to like and subscribe. So see you later. Take care.